Breathe through your nose. Make your belly into jelly, okay? Try to relax as much as possible. There you go. Oh. That's the first one.
Oh. I felt it all the way.
Good.
Whew. Yeah, that was, that hit me.
Good.
Holy cow.
This is the deepest crack you've ever had.
By far.
It has to be.
By far.
Yeah.
That was good. That felt great. Oh, yeah. That, holy cow. Yeah, I felt that.
When you get up.
Even right here, that kind of went away where it was tight before. Yeah, that's much better. Holy cow.
How many years of tension just left you?
25, 30 years.
Of football, right?
Football, yeah. Oh, man.